ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, balak play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakay lekay bapaw ha Shillong, balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Nongelam jong kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma, ulaong baun sa Phah da ka Jingkhaïi ya Menteri rang ba do jong kari u Narendra Modi bantung ye ka Tohkit ka balaj loj Lada ka NPP ka balayalam ye ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kamla bantung ye ka Tohkit Halor ka Jingkhaïi baka don ka Jingti bat ka Jingkhaïi to ya u Dewïong napo ka jala Meghalaya. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor u Dr. Mukul Sangma u balongru nongelam jong kaseng Congress Legislature Party jong kaseng Congress ulaong bakaladai ka por ye ka Sorkar pedeng bakan tuklar Halor ka ni ka kam namar bakani ka Jingkhaïi to ya u Dewïong kam deishu tang hapo upod usam jong ka jala Meghalaya hanrei kala tamru wat shabar upod usam jong ka jala. U Dr. Mukul Sangma hagajo ka por ula sanga teng ya usembut Menteri rang ba jong ka Sorkar jela uba preston tensong da ka baong baka Jingti bian ye umaushon hagathan pun orsla ka kenrei bha hagani ka kenti.
If they don't conduct independent inquiry now, meaning I will ask the Prime Minister to conduct independent inquiry. I am sure he will do it. Please remember that this whole illegality that is going on and the scales of illegality, everybody is seeing it. That's the fact. So then, at the same time, this illegality is not confined within the boundaries of the state of Meghalaya. It goes beyond the boundaries of Meghalaya. Therefore, Government of India has to intervene. I have seen a news article carried by Bangladesh media, one of the Bengali daily of Bangladesh. I don't know whether you have the copy. I have sent it to some of our friends from media. What they have carried was figure after figure as to how much loss is being incurred by Bangladesh government due to this illegality that is taking place across the international border in respect of export of limestone, in terms of export of coal, and in respect of export of other minerals. You know, this is something which is an eye-opener for Government of India. That means it is not only the state government who is losing, it's the nation as a whole which is losing, number one. And number two is, which is again very scary, is that they are trying to promote the culture of corruption. Culture of corruption, which was something where people of Meghalaya used to say, big no-no, you see. Meghalaya has always fought against corruption. Whether it is in case of any allegation, just allegation, even without proof, people have wanted answers, transparency. Today, this is the time when the government doesn't have any transparency. I heard the Deputy CM saying, why people are talking only about coal? Didn't they talk about coal only during election? Before election? What did they promise to the people? That they will obviously lift a ban from an honorable NGT, because they didn't even know how they will do, but they lied to the people. But at the same time, after lying to the people, they have somehow encouraged people to engage in illegal mining. And this is happening. And I'm telling it because there are enough evidence to substantiate these things. And this evidence, whenever time comes, will be placed before the authorities concerned. Then another thing, if this Bangladesh news article which was carried is pertaining to this limestone export, you know where, through which this is happening? Which constituency? Mainly? Peninsula. That's Deputy CM's constituency. And yesterday somebody rang up, sir, please come and see here, truckloads of these cattle are being smuggled to Bangladesh. I said, which area? Peninsula. So this is the reality. People are telling me, people have called me yesterday. So I told them, lodge a complaint. Go and submit this complaint to the Honorable Deputy CM with a copy to me. So this is what is happening. Whether it is illegality in respect of mining of limestone or illegality in respect of extracting of coal and border and exporting, which is beyond the actual permitted or rather declared quantity. This is what has been carried by media in Bangladesh. So, what is the name of Meghalaya? Meghalaya is now known for these negative stories. I'm sorry. I took pride earlier saying that we have set a new benchmark of governance, maintaining the kind of transparency and probity in public life. And we wanted to ensure that there is a probity in public life, there is a real respect for law, people fear law. That's why we brought in Lok Ayukta. Yes, we brought in Lok Ayukta. Today you see Lok Ayukta has been crippled by this government. There's only one man. Lok Ayukta has to be 3 men. Why have they not gone ahead with the search committee and appointed other members? Why? Because they don't want any whistleblower. They have tried to block the order of the Lok Ayukta in respect of inquiry. Against that is also regarding allegation of corruption, whether it is in respect of district council or in respect of court. So where is the question of those so-called transparency and probity? Today, the way the government is responding to these allegations, we can only conclude beyond reasonable doubt that they want to embolden those people who are engaging in corruption, and they are therefore destroying the state.